Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to do a quick recap of today's action. On the Forex side, again my schedule was too busy in the morning to do any kind of trading, and this evening it was just way too choppy for my style of trade. I mean, it was way too trending for my style of trading, because essentially what was happening was, let me just log in here. Okay, so and this is volume point of control, and so price was just hovering around volume point of control, just going sideways on the pound New Zealand, which is what I usually trade in the evenings. And so I mean, I could have you had trades that you could have faded near the low of this level and the high of this level, but nevertheless I wanted actually price to move in this zone, and price on the upside, if I wanted to fade it, to move to this area, which it looks like it's doing right now, but it's like 11:30 in the evening, so it will probably go higher. It's just I won't have the time to sit in front of the computer to wait for it to go higher. It'll probably do it in the next hour or so. And so that's why I just canceled tonight's trading, and this morning I was just too busy with the pound Aussie. It moved quite a bit though. I think, let's see, yeah, today was a bearish day, so it moved down for about, okay, so we got about 105 pips moved down, and then it just went sideways from there. So yeah, that was the recap. And on the future side, that's where I actually traded, and I faded this level here. This is one of the levels I use on the Fibonacci's, which maybe I can get into some other time. But essentially I fade these levels when price comes up. I usually adhere to a one touch rule, but this time, since the market was again trending very tightly or in a range, I took this trade anyways. It worked out for 1 point, but the problem was I let it go a little bit longer to see if it can we could get a move down, but we actually got a move higher. So I recognized it earlier, and I closed it for break even, so which was good. So if I look, the P&L is 0, so the break even, we got out on a break even, and this way I didn't get any losses. But anyways, what I'll do is tomorrow I'll see if there's any more actions, and there will probably be more action, and I'll see if I can catch some trades tomorrow morning. And so just I'll probably leave the highlights for the futures, which will be interesting to some of you, and then if you have any questions, comments, you can leave them below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.